An object is an element of an application, like a worksheet or a chart or a form, and in Visual Basic Code, you need to identify which object you're using before you can apply any methods to it or change any of the values in its properties. In this exercise, I'm going to use VBA to change one of the properties for the Worksheets object. So I'm using a brand new blank Excel worksheet, and I'm here inside of my VBE. I'm going to go to the Code module for Sheet 1. So in my Project Explorer, I will double-click on Sheet 1 to open that up. And I'm going to create just a quick sub-procedure to change the name of this worksheet. So I will call it New Name. I just typed in my name of the sub-procedure and hit enter there. So notice the set of parentheses that appeared at the end of the procedure name, and the end sub-statement also appears. Alright, so to change the name of Sheet 1, I will type in Worksheets. Now, Worksheets is a collection of objects, and so I need to tell Excel which worksheet. So inside of parentheses, I'm going to go ahead and type in Sheet 1. Now notice while I'm typing this in, I'm actually going to type in the name here of Sheet 1. But notice underneath in my little tip, I get index. So I can actually type in the number of the sheet that it is, and it's actually number 1 as well. So I can either type in the name, Sheet 1, and since it's text, it needs to go inside of double quotes, or I could just type in the number 1. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close my parentheses there. Now I want to change the name for Sheet 1. So I'm going to type in a period and then type in name. So now I'm referring to the name of Sheet 1. Alright, I'll add in my assignment operator, and I want to call this monthly report. So I add that in inside of double quotes as well because it's text. Alright, so now I'm ready to go ahead and run this sub-procedure. My cursor right now is blinking within the sub-procedure, right in between the sub and the end sub. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the function 5 key on my keyboard. And when I do, take a look over here on the left-hand side in the Project Explorer. You see now the name, which is here inside of parentheses, says Monthly Report. And if I switch over to Excel, and take a look down here at the bottom in the tab, it now says monthly report. So I have my object dot property equals value. Monthly report has been assigned to the name of Sheet 1, which is part of the Worksheets collection.